Okay, students, hope your first terminal exam you have done well, Sicilian, and now you are in a very free mood, like one of the part of your academy is over, so you are at ease. But children, one thing is there, something you read, another thing begins. Life goes on, so we can't stop here itself as your first terminal is over. You have followed with second terminal, final term, and total academic year. So let us begin with the second terminal exam. I have posted the previous video, and rational number will start. See, this particular aspects you are knowing it, but you are knowing in a different name. You are knowing as fraction. I said in the previous video, but rational number is a little vast than fraction. So what do you understand by rational number? I have said to you. So we'll do now exercise sums, and we'll be very thorough of the subject. So let us begin with the exercise sum. Question number 1, I have taken identify the rational number. A rational number you all know, P by Q. P and Q both belongs to integer. Q not equal to 0. Any number which can be formed in the form of P by Q, P and Q both should be an integer, but denominator should not be 0. That will be called as a rational number. Fraction variable is a rational number. A whole number variable is a rational number, because whole number can be written very well by 7 can be written as 7 by 1. So it's a rational number. Could understand? But 0, once the 0 is denominator, that time Q is becoming 0. Q should not be 0, then only we said rational number. 0 denominator cannot be defined. Okay, fine, then let us solve this. See, identify the rational number. 2 by 3, very nice. P and Q both are in an integer, and Q not equal to 0, so it's a rational number. Here, understood? Now 5 can be written as 5 by 1. Very nice. P and Q are integer and Q not equal to 0. Therefore, it's a rational number. Isn't it? Now 0 can be written by any number. 0 by 5, 0 by 200, 35, all become 0. No? So P by Q both are integer. P also integer. 0 is an integer, and 5 is also integer. And Q not equal to 0, you are finding denominator not equal to 0, therefore it can also be a rational number. Try to understand the concept of rational number. Okay. Now 3 by 0, see, P and Q both are integer, fine. But the second Q is what? Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0 has no, Q is 0 here. It's not a rational number. Not a rational number, because Q is equal to 0. Q should not be equal to 0. This one, P and Q both are integer, and Q not equal to 0. It's a rational number. I hope you have got the concept of rational number. P and Q belongs to integer, Q not equal to 0. Now question number 3. Write each as a rational number. See, 2. Only whole number format can be written as 2 by 1. Very well. Is it in the P and Q format? Q and P and Q both are integer, Q not equal to 0. So you can write down 2 as this. This will be -7. Similarly, -7 by 1. 0. You can write down any whole number. Anything. You understand? Any number denominator. Any integer. Put it. Other than 0. Even 0 also. Now, 5 equivalent rational number. You have learned these things in your fraction, equivalent fraction. To find out the equivalent fraction, you need to multiply the fraction to any of the multiplier. First equivalent fraction will be multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2. -2 by -7. I have multiplied this one, both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 to the 4, -7 to the -14. First, like this, 2 3s are 6, 3 7s are 21, -21. 4 2s are 8 minus 28. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35 minus 35. Now 6 2s are 12 and 7 6 are 42 minus 42. The 5 equivalent fraction you have taken it for that as a number. Now equivalent fraction minus 1. Minus 1 can be written as minus 1 by minus 1. My minus 1 by minus 1, if you first find out the first equivalent fraction, first equivalent fraction number will be minus 2 by 2, minus 3 by 3 will be the next, minus 4 by 4, and it goes on, you pick up to minus 6 by 6 by equivalent fraction. Things are very, very easy. Express this as a rational number with numerator 20. You have to make numerator as 20. So, how much you will divide to this? Numerator means this one. Numerator means the top number, no? Denominator is the bottom number. So, numerator 20, if you make it, then how much you have to divide it? You have to divide by 3. But see children, make it here it was minus 60. So, that you have to divide that one with, minus 3, isn't it? Once you are doing minus 3 division to the numerator, you have to do the denominator also by minus 3. If you are dividing the 108 by minus 3, you find minus 36. So, new fraction with the numerator 20 will become minus 36. Okay, 20 by minus 36. I hope you understand. Denominator 54. How much? What changes you have done? Denominator was 108. You have divided 108 by 2, so that you have got 54. Minus 2 you have divided. Denominator you are divided by minus 2, so that you get minus 54. Now minus 2 you have to divide this one also. Minus 60 divided by minus 2 will be what? Plus 30. So 30 by minus 54 will be the answer. Hope you have understood. Don't go in a hurry. Okay. Right? In the standard form. That means making rational number into simplest form. Making the fraction into simplest form. Standard form is 108 by 60. What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to divide by the HCF. Or you go for the cutting procedure. But here HCF will be easier. See 108. See 60 can be written as 12 into 5. And 108 can be written as 12 into 9. So that HCF is 12. So 108 divided by 12 and 60 divided by 12 first, I have divided the HCF, both numerator and denominator. So what it become? Minus 9 by 5. So minus 9 by 5 will be the standard form. Now this one is, to find out the HCF, you have to do the HCF. We will go for the quadratic. First, this minus will be cancelled. This number cannot go with 2, this number cannot go with 3, this number cannot go with both the number. This number will go with 2 because this number will go with 3. So both the number can go with 7, you can see. The 7 can divide. 7 3s are 21, then 2, 21, 2 and 1, 21, 7 3s are 21. Understood? Now this number on division by 7, 7 1s are 7, then 3 and 0, 30, 7 4s are 28 and then 21, 7, 3s are 20. Now 33. See this number, which prime factor can divide 33 and 143? 3 can divide? No, we cannot. 7 can divide? No. Can 11 divide? Yes, 11 can divide it. 3 11s are and 11 on the 11 13s are. So it will be simplest form as 3 by 13. Please don't get puzzled and do the mistake. Go step by step immediately. Now find out the value of x. You need to find out the value of x. Equivalent fraction row you are taking out. Same thing only. This question is, you have got nothing new to learn. You need to just revise the previous one. Minus 2 by 5. X value. See, 5 became numerator. Denominator was 5, denominator became minus 15. What you have done? You have multiplied with minus 3. Similarly, you multiply minus 2 minus 3, then what will become? Minus 2 minus 3 plus 6. So, the new fraction x value will be what? 6 only. No? Similarly, this one is minus 72 by x and 2 by 12 by 30. What changes you have done? See, both the numerator in this case. One of the denominator is missing. So this, if you do the division, it will become what? Minus 6. 72 divided by 12. Minus 72 divided by 12 is minus 6. You just multiply 13 with minus 6. Minus 6 into 13 will be what? Minus 78. So fact x will be what? Minus 78. Got it? Things are easy. Very, very easy. Minus 4 by minus 21. Minus 4 by minus 21 and this one. Both the numerator once again given. What you multiply with minus 4 so that you have got minus 20? Only 5. Minus 4 into 5 is equal to minus 20. So 5 you have multiplied with 4. 21 you multiply 5. So what will happen? So minus 21 into 5 will become what? X will become minus 21 into 5. That is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, minus 1 is